Okay, I went a little far.
You can tell everybody this is your song. Maybe quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind. Put down into words how wonderful life is. Your world. You see, my old man's got a problem. Live with the bottle, that's the way it is. He said his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. Mama went off and left him. Wanted more from life than he could give. Somebody's got to take care of him. I quit school, that's what I did. I remember we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. Your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone. Are we both ready?
Yep.
I heard myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on pain. The only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole. That old familiar sting. Try to kill it all the way. But I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. You could